Mark Beauregard from GSI. I wanted to teach you a few lessons on how to clean the GSI NoLabel and colorized printheads. Sometimes if the ink is left in the head and the head is not in constant use, in our sample marking lab, this head may get used once a week or sometimes even less than that. And we haven't been capping the heads, so the heads are exposed to ambient light and ambient conditions. And sometimes that ink starts to cure from ambient lighting and does need some kind of a cleaning. And so the easiest way to clean these heads is with a ruby stick, which looks like an angled rubber-tipped swab. And but when you have ink that's been cured on the faceplate, we also like to use, and I call them paddle swabs, but they're lint-free cloth, not a foam, swab that's kind of flat on one side. And in order to clean the head, we have a maintenance mode in the controller that makes it really, really simple. So from the overview screen of the touch panel, if I hit activate print mode, or maintenance mode, excuse me, and then I'm going to select the print purge option, and on the back of the print heads, an amber light starts to blink. And if I were to take a scrap piece of corrugate, and while I hold the light for just a second, or hold the button, I can see there's some missing nozzles on the black, and I'm going to attempt to clean those. But since I did the maintenance mode, I know about where those missing nozzles are, and so now I can come over to the print head and show you how I clean it. So the basic tools again are the swab and the ruby stick, and I also have a little bit of GSI flush / cleaner. And if I were to just dip the swab so it's moist, and as I look at the print purge we just did, and I can see black on the leftmost channel is missing nozzles, and also near the bottom of that same channel I have some missing nozzles. So I go to the leftmost channel, and with very little pressure, I'm just using the swab, and sometimes it's good to hold the swab way near the back just so you don't put a lot of pressure on. And I'm trying to clean in each corner of this channel, and then also do it near the bottom. And I'm just trying to loosen up any dried ink that might be blocking the ink egress. And then I take a ruby stick to just slide down and collect any cleaner that was left on the faceplate. And you can see, I'll do that motion again, but I'm using the angled part of the swab like a snow shovel to just scoop anything that was left on that channel. And after doing that quick cleaning, I'm going to take the cardboard again and just do a quick swab, and you can see now all those channels have been cleaned, and I have a perfect print.